Many of them Ghana for the church of Bibiara Ocean and Enumerate. We did say about the Adam into Ubia Aoki. Yatanasi, and the Ginaho, Yababisun, the Kakra. Yidika Ababa Bisuya, and Fenison, natural ships, and what the Kakra. Now, I say, you knew Bino and Tiaseno, El from Kakra Momunti, almost happy as a Cherakakra. Enti my say me the America cray ebema boni beka ya wrap it up and as I finish up with the natural shapes na ya na de bia ya ka ho asem no ana ya kire say shapes no o kasa ene form natural shapes no de bia na ya ka kire wo no ye ba betwe wa dwa akoso ye di ka kire mo alphabet ni bia e kodu e fenisen ye natural shapes na e ka ho no ana say o mo de form alphabet no enti ene ye san ba be ko tru biom what I say. And I'm more shame for the first time. No, Mr. Mo said, and then my first time more joining and as a mutia. Ye movie videos, you know, I call YouTube, a YouTube channel, a hold your coha to have access to the videos, you know, and teachings, you know, a best simple amount. Now, so the CBA, what could true now amount so CB or assassin or buy and so. And until my main father so film and print piniana, Yamubia, your bonny more background, and I say. You can say born more background, teachings background, and I a bit actually say I own no right in inside the idea. And you be a would be and you own every right to play that music. As a goma, I'm the cast being restricting copyright and the idea no more restricting. So who accusing me say and I say who prosecute me for playing your music online? Are you paying me for the number of people who are going to listen to your music and go and download? As a goma, and to me I'm gonna for more feeling free. Knowledge is not free, you have to pay attention. Your attention is at tension. Once that we should move here, we steady. We pay attention. So people jadi awi ni na uti. Enti enye free. Utu suade. Enti ma woti asese wiase na obeto ye ne kacho se wiase ni si wose kusua. De memo je di se wiase ni si wose kusua ne se ukọ provision shop na ukọ kutu kusua. Se de kusua ni secret ni msa no. Sabe pepe na asase na ete so no. Sabe pepe na wiase ni esi ho. Enu ti na ukọ to kusua esi ho sa. Omo ntimi nsen shape on. Ade na mo fa nto a fencing horizontally. I don't know if to see and find enough cushion na hono mudisi wasa. A ruse, I was a mobe, and a physical cushion womb 30, a child say, a geometry of life. Cushion a fencing tree of life on a bianibia wouldn't pay your do as when you be more wako di. Into a tree of life, a bianin man of a cushia, and yes, section, said I make a travel. And it says, was a cushiadia, and then I can say, see was a cushia. And so we are talking about the shapes. Kasana obiadia trone kasana yankwa ye Ghana for ye ni ye no. Eno na ye ba bisua ho ade. Enu hu hia se ye bi si ose kusua. Esagoma. Enu te ma wate ase se ewiase no ensuo na twa ye nyina ye ho hia. Ensuo da ya ase ene ensuo da ye so. enti nsuo na ɛda yɛ so na yɛ indicate wɔ ha as waters above ɛsɛgɔma enti nsuo na ɛda yɛ so wɔ ha no yɛma wate aseɛ sɛ firmament bi ɛna ayɛ ne possible ama ɔsoro no etimi ayɛ den etimi afɔm guard ama yɛ nyina etimi gyina asase wɔ so edi asase so kɔneaba enti deɛ ɛkata yɛ so ɛyɛ nsuo ɛyɛ ark dome afɔm ark ɛna inside no ɛyɛ dome ɛno nti o kasa no ɛna ɔmo de fɔm yɛ ɔmo yɛ no adom ɛyɛ ark dome nti o kasa adom nti me ho yɛ a ɛyɛ ark dome na wɔtwa so ayɛ no adom ɛno nti yɛ indicate ark dome no so wɔ ha ɛkyerɛ wo sɛ ɔsoro na yɛ den na yɛ hyɛ aseɛ saa no ɛyɛ ark dome afei nso yɛ mebɛma wote aseɛ sɛ deɛ kita ɔsoro ne asase na ama nti ɔsoro asase no nsuo na ɛda yɛ soro no ɛntimi mpagya asase na yɛ te soɔ no deɛ kita mu a ɛyɛ sɛ adwuma nyinaa ma yɛ no ɛyɛ firmament mema wote aseɛ sɛ firmament no for example wotina train mu na train nifa bridge bi ase a wote sɛ sound no sesa car bi anso saa afidie bi asa ɛno ti that is reminding you of the firmament ɛsɛgɔma ɛnti indicate firmament no so wɔ ha ɛna light ntin we ɛna so ɔsoro ɛne ɛfɛ ne sɛn asase na ɛte so no saa firmament kuro ya na unu aduane a vapor bi na ya uhu no ubi aduane so a vapor bi na ya uhu no saa firmament na sending no up so whatever you eat no the firmament recognizes it ɛsɛgɔma ɛnti abo bi a wobɛku no ahye ne ho bia no firmament no send signal no up ɛnti ɛna firmament you cannot hide away from the firmament ɛna oba ɛfɛ ne sɛ asase na yɛte so na ma kyerɛw sɛ ensuo ɛna atwa yɛ ho ahyia enti wonante akɔ akɔhyia po wonante kɔ akyi wɔ nim okɔ akɔhyia po ɛna ma indicate wɔ ha ɛpo na hifa na firi ba efiri asase aseɛ ensuo na ɛwɔ soro no ɛna supply asase na ɛwɔ fam no enti definitely no anase ɛmen kan sa definitely na ɛwɔ sɛ ɔsoro deɛ no ɛyɛ kɛseɛ sen ɛfam deɛ because the up is supplying the below enti wa wo supply so no ɛwɔ sɛ unya enough to be able to supply enti na ɔsoro no ɛdɔso ɛsen ɛfam deɛ enti ɛba begu ɛfam deɛ no so saa na aseɛ saa na ɛwɔ sɛ etimi yɛ ma enti sɛ nyɛ firmament no na nka ekuta saa asase na ɛte so na nka nsuo no bɛpɛgya ya kɔsoro akosi da yɛnso yɛbɛbɛn wiano bɛhye yɛ saa ma yɛwuo ɛno nti ɛsan sɛ firmament no kita asase no nti no we are at the same level ɛno nti nsuo na egu aseɛ hɔ saa no ɛyɛ ma na ɛwɔ sɛ gu fa so ɔbɔ adeɛ no ɔyɛ chief ɔyɛ great architect ɛsɛ gɔma ɔwɔ nyansa wɔ wiase nyinaa no efiri ɔbɔ adeɛ ɛno nti wɔhu sɛ wɔagya kwan bi baabi a ma nsuo surplus bi mpia a yɛntimi ntena asase so ɛna ɔno nso ɔbɛbrɛ because ɔno ano firmament no ɛsɛ nsuo no de pressure bɛpɔmpe asase no ɛna afei nso ɔno nso ɔso asase mu no ɔbɛbrɛ ɛsɛ gɔma enti wa bibia uniform firmament amayɛn enti wɔgya baabi sɛ nsuo no mpie mfiri asase no so enti na ebenya reverse ɛyɛ reverse because at the end of the day nsuo tene bi a yehu around yehu bia no efiri asase ase na ɛkɔ back to asase ase so it is reverse as a car ɛkɔ reverse ɛno nti nsuo no yɛ ma de pufa so ban ɛna yɛ ayɛkɔ hyia yɛkɔ gyi mu anigye yɛkɔ nya mu anigye ɛfɛn beach no sɛ de yɛ beach no it comes from the waves ɛsɛ gɔma enti nsuo no yɛ ma na ɛpɔmpe ba abɔnten a na form waves na yɛso yɛ nante ya na akɔ akɔhu nsuo yɛ nante na akɔ akɔhu nsuo ɛno nti mo sɛ matro ark bi nso wɔ ha te sɛ de da yɛ so matro ne ketwa wɔ ha de nti ne tro ne ketwa wɔ ha na me de pɛsɛ me de ka asɛm kyerɛw alphabet na muhu online ni nyina wiase alphabet ni nyina ya muhu no ɔmo indicate saa diama indicate wɔ ha bi no nti me so me de ka asɛm akyerɛw ɔmo nya ɔmo indicate bi tro ebi kra tro ne ketwa half ɔmo yɛ de ɔmo bu no gu ketwa ɔmo de sɛ me kyerɛ mu bi muhu yɛ me san so akyerɛ mu ɛno nti nti na me de to ha ewiase na reflect saa de da ya see because it is love ɛno na nso bi a ɛma yɛn kwa wasase we so nti obia you have to pay respect to that ɛwɔ sɛ we indicate ɛwɔ ntro yim ɛsɛ gɔma ɛno nti ma indicate wa ha ɛnyɛ sanka ɛwɔ sanka efiri hɔ me ma dwemo ne ni hɔ because me nim sɛ saa na tie me nim sɛ alphabet me soko ma dwemo de nim sɛ saa na tintin kɛ sɛ ha nyina yɛnsiu without this d indication over here na say this arc we ya wa ha na ka ha nyina yɛnsiu na ka asase ne densiu so saa na tie but nipa sɛ dia wo so wo hwɛ sɛ dia asase ne tie ana sɛ mfa sɛ meditation abaye about wo so wasase o mfa sɛ wasase so abaye meditation spirituality me nka ne saa ɛna betimi expose saa ne mewo nyina ayɛ ama nti ɔmo nya friends ɔmo alphabet ne mo asase na so mo nkurokuro ne nyina no they are very very spiritual omo ni rules no ebi na me no usua ho ade wa hai enti enya asase se flat land se asase no so onya bi ba bi se ba bi e pepone ade obo ade nim do nim se flat once you can put a flat surface with me sit down or so there wa anya na flat anti me sit down or so say a circular it's still flat in say mo say e before na brofo no confuse here a coin can be flat say e da flat who say we da flat and it still has a flat surface baby around an office anya flat na crown it still has a round surface obo mo da the two tables so it me gina na say form flat surface into once I ultimate form flat surface I will me put me gina so keke crown na boy be so me gina so it is flat esa goma and people in the later be the code enti na ensure ni mane esisi hani bi enti me din keti wa ha say this is the land mo say da me cho elwe ani say da me cho elwe me dey we na to me video no so nti mo kwa akote ase say da me cho elwe no mo beti ase and we line we indicate land assassin et no and am say indicate abode bi wa ha me dey line bi two ha one as abode on earth and am say catch am say it is representing the tree of life we are seeing in the tree of life we until they make sure say they don't do without it. They don't leave it out of their alphabet. They know. And the true alphabet in the tree of life we are the indicate to her as the tree of life on earth we a common alphabet on. Until because of the culture say a bin so die young Arab for the ene we indicate tree of life on ewa amaw intermediate we dina see senka nka hotel nkwanga ten nyina hotel ni kire te say the land ni kire sana ten ni da ho but o indicate tree of life na ma wa ha and at some point no kra no or the when ni kire straight see no wa ma line we bi tell say o indicate the tree of life not the dot be actually say even if it is the serpent it has life and the serpent and the tree of life into we are form tree of life now we are form serpent and it is our sign here try muni US sign I try say we ejina the tree of life and we so ejina the serpent but ye alphabet na me ka ho asema kire mo ye abede no ejina ho the tree of life and the akdom that ye kasa na wisdom tie ube beti ase esan say without the tree of life no there was the first creation was the tree of life. And sana and fancy abu wa baye. And without the tree of life, nothing can exist, nothing can survive. Esagoma, ye mama chere sa. Say we are the tree of life. Intina ye kasa no ye ni pedua. Intina se bi chere wa adwen so a bodua mane. Yanko kasa bo Jesus amane. Yankasa bo papa kra mane, yankasa bo mame amane. Yesi bodua mane. Esagoma and until we jina home the tree of life macha so woni pe bia kra no na you also to say bia na pepepe ye indication bebre ma mu teachings bebre chere say nyina jina ho no what the trees are doing the same thing and ayen so ye enti ye ma mara chere ye say we any akdom any de da ya sie we eno de obi ani de da ya sie we obi ani enti yen so ya alphabet na sa pepepe na tie enti na tese ye yi we anyway e dia ye natural shapes ene na form ewiase abede and also so the no kan abede hweye de ne kra na ye men kan say C's and bars now form a kra. We don't indicate the C when we are writing the alphabet and we don't pronounce the C too when we are mentioning or pronouncing our alphabet. Not just say we in plain sight no all the animals have these shapes we afom C o ade kra hu no so won afom C wa ha asa afom C wo soro asa afom C wo down we so kra hu no so won afom C wa ha na asa afom C wa ha enti biane de inform si e no so na ye hia sen afom si e na ye nyina nim sa sen na da sen so no ejina ho masi sa enti ye kra de na nka si sen ba so no ade na nka ye ncho si e wo ka be de kra nka si wo bisa ho wa mamre cho se we bi anka nkyere wo nyansa bi a cho se we nobody is telling you because upejen show the good from something happens from here. So nobody tells you there's power here to indicate in your alphabet debi enti enu ye code of belief. Say the boy dance nyina tete no na the C shape. Esagoma na the C shape. And when was asase so nyina so have the C shape. Owo wo bi. Ejinamwa wo bi. Enkoko wo bi. Wonipa wo bi. Nantwie wo bi. Abwa bia is reflecting the akdom. Esagoma ya mu observe mu ano wonipa bia was our shapes ni bi. Enti wo wa mamre na kire wo sa wo wa mamre na nyansa wo mu na kire wo se say ya bo won edi kan ba ye ujitum se without the tree of life, you cannot survive. So what do you have to indicate? And the tree of life, they don't have, they are unique. They represent directly the creator. Esagoma, until almost they believe in and the tree of life. They believe in the serpent and the tree of life. And for you as a phone also, they believe in the serpent and the tree of life. And to me, for Chinese phone also, almost believe in the tree of life and the serpent into Omokasa and do baby Omukwa, so below. And so we naturally know we believe yet the war yen. Yeah, naturally, yet the sa at the war yen. And to know be uncountable. And this is the waters below, blue, which is indicating love. Where the snake and the tree of life. And I may indicate why. And I use for the serpent and the snake, the tree of life. And away heavens. Heavens, may trust the heavens above your head, human height. Your head, your heavens. Upe down Sabian Sankebiano, aircon, your heavens. And this ultimate roofing, so now pay down, sir. It's your heavens. You cannot live there. Esagoma, won't mean leave you a home. And the natural shape in sanity. And the Afro Babati alphabet Nasi. Your Babacho, and I who need our trono. And since any differences at them. Any would you know, differences at them. And to me, I know Ghana for Kakame de Bremo, no. Me did say, we dear a beco ye kakra. Emom still said Monti Biasia and Untina Yawaha. Tiasia or natural shapes, seas and bars. We cram a suit me would be our home. We a casa, we a casa, Unisano. Missy, we a casa. Esagoma, we a casa, every beginning casa bed and one and who. We are the formal natural shapes, the formal alphabet. But me jamo say, I want to find for me alphabet to be our life. Esagoma, me jamo say, I want to find for me alphabet. Bro, need a formal alphabet, and even I'm the better tremono. Many shall say, meeting me at Wasso, but later in the Cody Fenison news Nibia. Made the best of somehow. Bro, need the Cody alphabet, and no use any powerful man. Now, why you are connected to this, no? I don't know what you need, Mamma. Miss, when the form you are coming to see it. Esagoma, a hell babetiasi, we cry me, you can prove you something. Bound me friend designer Casabia, in Jaffin Emeria, said I do designer Casa. Now also Casa Nessa Westiana Keke, oh, ya can, so you have to use it. Unya super. Esagoma, Unya super, Unya. No more the Mama Casa yat made more brabum is a way Jamuja Namona, oh, yeno, Pampai and yet. Esagoma. Said I know Yeri Sorano Pana, so no Ukunu Sorano Pa, when Chinis and all Dano Casatra, while we are on, Ukrana yet on, no body and yet. Now, why we are Coco, why we go to get, why we name tree, why we the Ohunino. Our Casatra Guardian, on one yet, Uyara Yakona Monque Casatra in a number, Ukuna Akona Monque Casatras using a number, why we procunam for an Amuninano, and our back Sraba they begin on your mouth, Massa. And you're going to do a hoe. And it's so Ubabetia Safu said, I bet be by a simple amount. Yeah, not a simple Nede Brew. As a goma, when you then ye make you sure say you just any more than Oka said, but there's so gen more than a Camunae. And ya betesa, the timid Janny who criminal kind who is about whom betesa, the Dijamujanam and use the marijuana tree of life. 5 nano. As a goma, not peg your system, no you mujum. Oh, may ye member cranny, yan lucky and you would define ye mamma cardon ye lucky every month to me with the fin cacra. Now ye member ye with the fino, ye dear guhin. Almost no more when you may that don't din. So where is our mudefin? Esagoma, and to wear a casa, we crowd me put me good down, say man can change the way, or casa, senor casa or board, there umpesa man can change and I mean whom be near. We crowd me both down, choke paper, swat me both down, for pencil throw to me start to cry by now. Esagoma, and to me trust away or casa. This is your Torah. Torah is no more catron. Torah is no more catron. This is to us. Ye. Esagoma, and to me I'm gonna for Marcus and yet in Temamo. We don't be see her. Now so can be true maybe. This is the moment I want to saw sharing maybe who pages so no who be almost survey your Facebook, make catch me I quite said the costume me baby so tremono. I quite some yantia say ye. Esagoma, akwasa nhihye bia ye mpanyimfo ne e fene sen abrofon e wo faye ye ho no a obia tese me menya dwuma telecommunication network na matapetap on course but akwasa kasa na omodi di nkomo ni nyina no mete ase but won te ase enti na me na usua ne ma wa nyina yi no mo hunu se ukura kasa bi sa kasa no nso mfa ni aduma won nya Esagoma, into this time we have to share knowledgeable things. And this is not time to babysit. Ghana, we are babysitting. Our pastors are babysitting us. Our politicians are babysitting us. But we are young Kwalansu in Ghana. Esagoma, you tonight if they are babysitting us, we also come and babysit others. And we are not joking here. Not grown a yedi. And Timami Hunkasano Konka Kasa Uda Kudma Meriama on Pampai. Friends are cleansing now a friend saying, Udi Kodu Umojanimua, Uya, after you understand what I am talking about. Unyanyes our treatment in the Umude Fine Gumun, a mount Pankam Bonnie, a mount Pampa Bonnie. You don't have a pleasant smell to talk to the creator. Now Mumu and Ambojana and Mumari Mujanami Muko Janawani. Shemukase or Dawakesa. Yenumkase Bejina, Beko Shia Dachi, nay, their friend, some friend man by, or my friend or Babu Nimuda. Yes, you say take us in your decassin inside, look up with Shaka Sibia. You didn't soon on a fry be huno. Nina Yenina saying himself Casa. Esagoma, you share Casana, you be 200 more. Yen share the young conco ditch, the same Bishan Wadian, never became natural. And to me, I'm going to form a Casana in your tintin. We don't be see not a Mrebimoa, a Sansonemo Atanasi, and to them that will be asked.